How do you feel, Caroline?
I feel pretty ethereal. This is my Met Gala look. Hi, I'm Caroline and this is Hear Me Out. So today I'm gonna be bleaching my hair, coloring it gray, and then putting rainbow tones in it. Like a mermaid. Before we get into the transformation, don't forget to subscribe below. So I have dyed my hair before. I actually haven't had all black natural hair since 6th grade. In middle school, I went through like a scene phase. 8th grade to high school, I had variations of like browns, blondes, but it wasn't until like senior year that I bleached it all. Having dyed hair became my thing so much that I think I would feel like if I went back to black hair, that it would just make me very average again. Going back to this hair now, like I really love it, but I think having the bleach hair too is also a part of my personality and like my character, and I love both ways. Something that inspires me now to express myself through my hair is also seeing badass Asian femmes, females doing cool hair like CL, Suju Park, and Yoon Ambush. They all have cool blonde hair and I think it makes them look amazing and powerful. I've never done this sort of rainbow tones in my hair, so I think that's gonna be really exciting. I wanna live my best rainbow mermaid life.
All right, so we've already cut your hair. Are you ready for your color transformation?
Yes, I am. I think I started coloring my hair and dyeing it because it was fun for me. It was a form of self-expression. My parents really weren't the type to not let me dye my hair like that, but I think it became a lot more of like an identity thing because I wanted to stand out. A lot of people knew me for that hair. I'm like, oh, the girl with the pink hair, like the girl with all the blonde hair.
You're so blonde.
That's crazy. How I looked and how I appeared. It was something for me to sort of stand out, and I think those types of things are important to like express yourself, but also at the same time, I think we fall into these holes where you think that you don't want to be just another Asian, so it becomes a thing to sort of differentiate yourself from the rest of the crowd. My non-Asian friends would be like, oh, you're like a cool Asian. That's a really shitty thing to do, to put people into uncool, cool categories. That made me feel like my personality wasn't enough. I think I've gone over that fear. My exterior appearance isn't all of me. Who I am and what people know me as is just like who I am and my personality, and not just like my hair. The purple roots look so cool.
They look good, right?
I like to dye my hair now because it, for me, is a form of self-expression. I think it gives me a sense of confidence too because I love how it looks and I feel great about myself. I am someone that likes to change things up, switch it up, whether it's through my clothing, makeup, and also my hair.
All right, are you ready to see your final look?
I'm ready!
Okay.
Oh my god! It looks so good. Thank you so much.
Your perfect
That looks
muted mermaid.
amazing. It looks amazing. I think all the time spent in the salon was so worth it. I'm so inspired to try everything now. I think I can do anything.